Hi there, students. A fault confessed is half redressed. Okay, this is a proverb for you. I think we use this in two slightly different ways, but they're very similar. So, firstly, if you confess what you've done wrong, if you own up to it, if you say, it was me that did it, then you are halfway to redressing the bad thing that you've done. Okay, so to redress, to put right a wrong. So the first stage in making amends for doing something bad is to confess to it, to admit publicly to it, or to admit to the person. So I'm sure you know that he knows that a fault confessed is half redressed, but he still won't admit that he stole my car keys. Okay. I think maybe many people feel when they're arrested by the police, they feel this desire to confess because, like that, they feel less guilty about it. A fault confessed is half redressed. I think you can also use this proverb to say that if you confess to yourself that there is something wrong with you, there's something wrong with your character, there is a flaw, then you're halfway to making it better. Yeah? So if you acknowledge your mistakes or the things that are wrong with you, then that's already halfway to resolving them, to changing that. Okay? So a fault confessed is half redressed. By confessing what you've done wrong, you start making amends for it. Yeah, and normally, yeah, when you confess to something, you feel better. You feel better about it. It's less of a secret. So what it's saying is if you've done something wrong, then you need to admit it, and this goes a long way towards putting things right. So remember the verb to redress, to put right or wrong, and to confess, to admit to what you've done. So another nice little English idiom for you. I think this proverb's quite old. I think it's first recorded in something like the 16th century. And then as to formality, I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. Well, the origin, well, it's in its meaning. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A fault confessed is half redressed.